In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Bloxlink. You're not allowed to use this app. So if you encounter the error that you're not allowed to use a Bloxlink on Roblox, what you can do instead is you first need to head over and make sure that you have the right age. I haven't heard this article that can help us. So if you're having this problem that you're not allowed to use, it may be because of your account age because it is illegal for users under the age of 13 to use Discord. So if you're a Roblox user and you're under the age of 13 or your account is under 13, you will have this particular error. So what you can do is you navigate to your Roblox settings and under the personal, you should be able to see your account age and it should be able to match your real birthday. If it does not, check if your account is 13 plus or less than 13. So Roblox doesn't allow less than 13 mode to sign into other application. So Roblox doesn't allow those accounts as well to change their birthday setting. So what you can do in that case is you can actually create a new Roblox account with the correct birthday of around 13 plus to actually utilize this particular feature. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.